Hi, I'm Zubemir and I am a software engineer.
Hi, I'm Chris Crispin and I'm also a software engineer. Who's going to go?
You are?
Me? Shall I go with my background? This is mainly in academia. I did a master's in engineering and then started a PhD, which kind of pulled in some computer sciencey stuff, which gave me a keen interest in programming. I went away and started looking at how to develop in web and decided that's what I wanted to go into. And ended up joining Argos as a junior software engineer.
I started off by doing a master's in computer science and then I went on to do a graduate scheme at another company. Then Argos approached me and I couldn't say no, and I joined here as a junior software developer.
The new technologies, the kind of chance to work with technologies that are on the cusp or things that have just come out rather than legacy systems that can be a pain to work with on a day-to-day basis. A lot of control in the direction of those as well, so a lot of developers have a say in what technologies we use rather than dictated by the legacy system.
Also, it's quite different from other companies. E-commerce in general, just working here at Argos, because they already had like something already made. Our goal was just to better it.
Yeah.
That in itself was a good challenge.
And from scratch as well.
Exactly.
And so we got to build it from the ground up.
And we got to choose what technology that we use for certain parts of the whole stack. My favourite piece of work was at the start of the digital transformation, where we had to make the new search engine. And we were deciding, what stack to use, what our backend would look like, what our infrastructure would look like. And we were deciding between Spring and also Drop Wizard, and the whole journey from back then, which was a year and a half ago, I think, to now. So you can see, finally we got there, and to reap the reward of seeing that every conversion charts go up and whatnot. I really enjoyed that journey. One of the main things I've learned here that was different from university is the proper way of doing stuff. One thing is we have all of these processes in place, and we also contribute towards such as automated testing, performance testing, and code coverage tools such as Sonar. You don't really learn that in university because it's all about learning the programming language and the architecture. Here it's all about doing it efficiently, B effectively, and C having it done in a way that you won't have that many bugs, or you won't go back to and change afterwards.
It's kind of also applying what you've learned at university in a commercial environment. So taking what you know about programming, using all the tools that you've listed.
Yeah,
to
exactly.
kind of make that code.
And because now there's also teams dedicated to helping you make your code even better through the process of QAing. That step is missing in university.
We also get to work on little side projects as well. So I was going to talk about the thing that I created the other day, started work on. So I started with the Django REST framework back end, React Redux on front end, a tools project basically that would serve every team in the business.
There was no limit to what tech you use.
Yeah.
You just went off and done it yourself. And that's one of the best things here. One of the main things that I'm looking forward to in the future at Argos is we'll be looking into natural language processing and creating bots for a top secret project that we can't talk about. But yeah, that's one of the, working with natural language processing and hooking up with Elasticsearch and getting some sort of results, even though at the start it would just be a POC and then us going forward with that. That's something I'm really excited about.
Yeah, I guess because now we've kind of got that base, we can kind of build on that. My background is in acting.
I'm going to do mine again.